to my channel. In today's video, we're going to start our monthly subscription, and we're going to start off with Morpheme. Morpheme is a monthly subscription for brushes, makeup brushes. You'll receive 3 to 8 brushes, and the value of these brushes ranging from $30 onward. For this month, we received 5 brushes, and this is from the fam of yellow gold or gold series. In my opinion, the gold series from Morpheme is one of the best, and I mentioned that on my Instagram. I fell in love with them because of how they distribute the product on my face. These are the big mamas and papas of this little one here that we just received from our box. This one's theme is Love You Very Matcha, and it's so cute. Anything regarding matcha green tea, I'm in. The first brush is the Y21 brush. This retails for $4, and this is good in defining your eyebrow, your lips, or even applying your dark eyeshadow at the bottom of your lower lash line. And then the Y22 is a very small brush, retail for $5. This is good for smudging your eyeliner, or even if you want to create a smoky eyes, you can do that on your eyeshadow. The next brush is the Y13. This is a fun brush. Retail price for this is $8. Anyone knows the fun brush, this is good for your highlighter. Next brush is Y18. This is a tapered blending brush. This retails for $6. This is good for blending your eyeshadow on your crease or on your lower lash line. And then the last but not the least brush, one of my favorite brush. This is the Y11. I love this brush. This is a deluxe pointed contour brush. This is the twin, and this is the whole gang. So back to deluxe pointed brush. This brush is good for contouring, for loose powder, even for your highlights and blush on. And the total value for our brushes for this month is $31. So if you pay $19.95, you have at least $11 discount versus in buying this in a full price at the store. And that's it for our September 2018 Morpheme unboxing. And if you're considering subscribing to Morpheme, I will put the links on the description down below. And I hope you like this video unboxing. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would like to invite you to please come join the gang by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you get notified on all my video uploads. Thank you so much. I love you guys.